Hi everyone, it's Taylor here. If you're anything like me, there are few things that inspire or delight you more than pretty color combinations and high quality ink and paper, which is why I'm super excited to share our new ink and cardstock with you today. These 7 new additions to the TE color palette enhance our rainbow and make it even more fun to create with a full spectrum of color. From a delicate floral pink to a cheerful blurple, that perfect blue-purple combo, to yet another shade of my personal favorite color, teal. Each of our new colors is available in premium cardstock, matching full-size ink pads, mini ink cubes, and ink refills. Easily label the sides of your full-size ink pads with our Label It Ink Pad stickers. We also have coordinating envelopes in several but not all of the colors. In addition to beautiful new colors, I'm also excited to introduce our True Colors collection. Simply and easily swatch your entire ink collection. Create beautiful reference cards to capture your favorite color combinations. Our True Colors Inkspiration cards are designed for swatching color inspiration, complete with a section for notes so you can recall exactly what you want to pair with each color combo. Stamp the swatches using the new Swatch Out stamp set and label the stamped boxes with the appropriate color names from our True Colors clear stamp set. They're designed to store in our mini slim stencil storage sleeves or create your own flip book using our calendar coil. I hope you love our new colors as much as I do, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you combine these colors with the rest of your Tailored Expressions collection.